bought this electric fry pan over a year ago. And I bought it because I wanted a timer on my frying pan. My stove top on the kitchen counter has no timer. I wanted a timer for a safety reason. Like, I forget about what I got on the stove and go out of the house. This has happened to me before. Very dangerous. You can burn your house down. So I said, I'm going to get an electric frying pan. This is the electric frying pan. And I used it for a couple of months. Then I got tired of using it because it was very difficult to clean. It really needed to be clean every time you use it. The food just sticks to it, even though it's a plastic Teflon coating, food still sticks to it. And it's heavy and bulky to wash. So I put it away and went back to the stovetop. Then I got an idea how to use this without cleaning it. And what I did is I bought a Teflon coated pan that I put inside the electric frying pan. And I put all my food in here. Of course, I have less area. I'm using this, but I'll live with that. Now, when this gets dirty, food sticks to it. Well, it's Teflon, so it doesn't do it too much, but I can easily take this out, wipe it out, or wash it, versus trying to pick this thing up and put it in the sink. So this is my solution for getting back to using an electric frying pan without the chore of cleaning it every time I use it.